warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Khairul Nizam. My majoring is Computer and Network Engineering in Vocational High School 1 Bengkalis. Today, I would like to share how to make Ethernet cable or straight over tools, crimping, UTP cable, clipper, and connector RG45. Strip the cable jacket about 2 inches down from the end. Second step, open the cable. Straighten and slot the cable according to the standard TIA. The order is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, and white brown, brown. Step 3. After the order is in accordance with the standard, cut the end of the cable openly. Insert the straight and parallel cable in the RG45 connector. And make sure all cable are in correct position. Do the crimping using a crimping tool. Press the crimping tool. And make sure all the pins on the RG45 connector fit on each cable. Fitting at one end. Do it again the other end. The last step is to check the cable that we have made earlier using LAN tester. Here, I don't LAN tester because I don't have it. The cable is ready to use. So are the steps for making an Ethernet cable. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.